Hello friends, my name is Kusal Misra and today my topic is the manpower planning. Now we are going to understand what is meaning of manpower planning. Manpower planning is the process which includes forecasting, developing and controlling by which a firm ensures that it has the right number of a people, the right kind of a people at a right place at a right time. And we know very well know the manpower planning is also known as a personal planning and a human resources planning. uh, if you are going to discuss about the concept, then manpower planning involves two stages. The first one is the planning of a manpower requirement, the planning of manpower supplies. And objective of this manpower planning is to utilize the present employees fully to fill up a future manpower requirement and to achieve organizational goals in an efficient way and to manage and utilize resources properly and effectively. Characteristics of this is future continuous process and you can say environmental influences. Importance of it: uh, coordinates and controls the various activities in the organization, higher productivity, efficient utilization, and skill labor. If you want to grow your organization efficiently, you have to select skilled labor. You know, skilled labor. And now we are going to understand types of manpower planning. The manpower planning divided into two parts on the basis of level on a period basis. The first one is from on the basis of level is a macro level and micro level. On period basis there are short period and medium period and long period. And you understand the process, the demand forecasting and supply forecasting, analysis of the corporate and the utility level strategy. Now you have to understand the manpower planning factors affecting manpower planning, the product mix and the performance mix or last. And the advantage of this is it brings about the fast economic development, and the manpower planning ensure optimum use of available human resources. It is useful both for the organizational and nation. Friends, you know very well, if your organizational grow, definitely indirectly your nation will definitely grow. And it boosts the geographical mobility of a labor. Any person from a some geographical mobility of labor, you can see it brings about fast economic development. It always helps to develop our economic. And you it generates the facility to educate people in the organization. It also try to facilitate to educate people in an organization for that kind, for to get that kind of advantage.